Alright, I'm doing a video on how to take apart the Glock 23. It's Gen 4. Okay, first things first, main thing, take the bullets out. Make sure the gun is empty, nothing's in the chamber. Then, alright, take off the slide. Pull it back a little bit, hold them down, let it go, bam, easy as pie. Next thing, take out your spring you got here. Then, take your barrel out. The next thing you got is a firing pin. So, what you got to do to take out the firing pin is that it's a little knob right here, right under it. What you want to do is get a piece, a pin or flathead screwdriver or whatever, and just push it down. Then you can put your thumb right here, and then you can push it off, and then it'll come right off. Just remember to hold your thumb right here while you pull it off so the spring won't pop out. So, I'm going to use these. Stick it right there, push it down, push off the back thing, popped off just like that, let go, release the tension, and then pull it right on out. There you go, got your firing pin. Next thing, pull this out right here. There you go. Set that to the side. Then, to take this out, you want to pull this out first. Then this will pop out. So just go sideways, pull it, play with it a little bit. See? Popped out right there. And then that'll fall out. There you go. Next thing, what you want to do for this is that it's 3 pins. One right here, and right here. So, what you're going to do is push one of the pins out. Really don't matter which one you pull out first. Kind of hard sometimes. So when this don't work, I use this as a bent fork. I ain't got nothing really too pointy, so this is strong enough. See? Come right on out. Then do the second one. This one's a little funny sometimes. Sometimes you even gotta play with this a little bit just to get that out. So it gives you a rough time. See, that one's kind of an ass sometimes, but got it out. Then after that, you go ahead and pull this out, slide right out. The trigger block, you can pull this out too. Sometimes you could just pull out with your hand. Sometimes you might need a little bit of muscle. stick it right under it, and you just pull it right on up. Comes out just as so. And then next thing is that your trigger and everything, you can just pull it right on out. Oh yeah, almost forgot the third one. Don't forget that one. You gotta pull that out. Once that last one's out, then everything should just pop out. Then do in-ear cleaning, which you have to do with the gun. Then after that, put it all back together. So basically, first things first, put your trigger back in. Alright, so the trigger's in. After the trigger, you want to put your where's it at? Put this back in, which is going to go right to the side and fit right back in the same spot, just like that. After you do that, put your block back in. Make sure the trigger's all the way down before you do it. See, now it's already in there. Sit that in there, just as so. Put your block back in. Just like that. Then just put back the pins in the right spots. This one go here. Just like so. Next thing, let's put the bottom in one first. This goes right here. This one's kind of tricky to put in sometimes too. You gotta play with the trigger, get it lined up, just so you can stick it all the way through. Let's see. Went in kind of easily that time. After that, put back in your top pin. See, so got your 3 pins back in now. After that, start working on this again. Put that to the side. Pull your slide back out. Then start putting your pieces back together. First things first, which is this. This is going to go on the side. Like that. Then It's a spring, so y'all gotta watch out for that. Put that back in there. Push that down, and it should stay. Then here. Put your firing pin back in. Should just go in real easily. And after that, you wanna grab this, your back plate. Anything will really work. Hold this down and just slide in a little bit. Then let it go. Then push the white part down, hold it down, and then everything just go back together. There you go. Then throw the rest of your barrel back together. Spring. Put it back on the gun. There you go. All set. Done. So that's how you take apart a Glock 23 Gen 4.